how to add stickers on Instagram Reels. The very first step is to open your application Instagram. Swipe right and head over to Reel. Move into your gallery and choose one of the video for your reel. Tap on Add at the top right corner. Click on Next. In order to add sticker to this reel, click on the sticker icon at the top. Select whichever sticker that you want for your reel. You can also source for the GIF and add to your reel. Let me select this GIF. You can place it wherever you want on the screen. When you are done, click on Next. You can also edit the cover and add the caption here. Once you are done, click on Share. Your reel has been uploaded successfully. Now move into your profile and see whether the sticker has been added or not. You can see that the sticker has been added to your reel successfully. So this is it, and this was the tutorial video on how to add sticker on Instagram Reel. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.